Hi everyone, my name is Alejandra Lasso Cruz. This is the course Resource Project. Today I want to share with you information about my research project. I choose an interesting topic. This topic called Teaching and Learning English as a Foreign Language. English has become the universal language, the language of the future, the language of new opportunities, education and progress. The purpose of this research project is to inquire about the development of oral production and how interaction and the text-based approach could contribute to improve the quality and development of students' speaking skills. For my research project, I have objective. For example, recognize that English is vital in people's life. Investigate about the reason why students do not like to learn English. Inquire about the strategies used by teachers to teach, and help teachers design new foreign language teaching strategies. Okay. For my investigation, I use different reference. For example, Russian. He said that there are principles and practice and acquiring and second language. He spoke of the importance of recognize how we acquire a second language, and based on this will be easier to learn a second language. Usma, he supports the imminent arrival of globalization, and Baker defined bilingualism and its distinction in the foundation of education. He presents as the difference between being bilingual and bilingualism. Okay. I use survey for my investigation. Okay. This is the question. For example, do you think it is important to learn English? Yes, no, why? Do you like the subject of English? Yes, no, why? Does your English teacher speak English all the time? Yes or not? Do you understand when your teacher speaks to you in English? Yes, no, why? Do you like how your teacher teach you English? Yes, no, why? Do you like to participate in English classes? Yes, no, why? Okay, this is other question. Then analyze the answer. I want to share two of them. For example, the first question: Do you think it is important to learn English? People respond. For example, yes, 10%, and no, 90%. Okay, the second question: do you like the subject of English? The people respond 70% yes, and 30% no. Okay, this is my conclusion or result about this research project. The results were very interesting and confirmed what I believe. Students find it difficult to learn a foreign language for many reasons. For example, the methodology is not adequate, the teacher do not carry out creative and innovative activities. For example, they are traditional when it comes to teach, and students do not find out motivation to help them learn this language. Now, as teacher, we must prepare ourselves better because we know what students think, which allows us to know how to help them understand the importance of English in their life. Okay, this is all for today. Thank you for this opportunity to learn, because I am very happy because I can learn how to do a research project. It's very important to me. Thank you for this time. I hope to can understand. Thank you. Bye bye.